Welcome to the overview of the TorqueBite PM5 plug-and-play kit for the European market RS3 and TTRS cars equipped with a 2.5-liter DAZA engine. Please make sure your vehicle's battery is disconnected before starting this procedure. Access the 3-position harness junction located under the rear seat under the access cover over the level sending unit. This is the access cover opposite the access cover that sits over the fuel pump sending unit. Unmate the two ends of this harness junction. Attach the supplied blind plug mate to the factory male connector in order to protect it from the elements and secure it with zip ties. Mate the factory female 3-position connector with the male 3-position connector supplied in the plug-and-play kit. Mate the small 4-pin female connector at the bottom of the long 3-wire pigtail with the corresponding small 4-pin male connector attached to the PM5's 20-pin input-output plug. Attach the 20-pin plug to the PM5's input-output connector, once again making sure an audible click is heard upon insertion. Please note that the PM5 is environmentally sealed, so it must be installed on the interior of the car.